how to take back control of your business in 30 days. Yes, it can be done. In this video, I'm going to give you a few suggestions and the jump start of how to go in that direction. Things are going pretty quickly if you actually decide to do it. And if you want to go further, deeper, and you really decide that it's time to change, you can click the link below and it's going to take you to outsmartcourse.com, where you can book a call with me and have the blueprint exactly of how to do it. My name is Davide Cerretini. I am the former owner of Botto Bistro in San Francisco, California. I'm the guy that flipped the table to Yelp, the review platform. I use that platform at my advantage without their consent, kick their asses, became a celebrity overnight, create a fortress out of a business that was shaking, and millions and millions of dollars in free publicity without spending one penny. That's who I am. That's why I'm here with a bunch of suggestions for you. The number one thing, the most important thing that it happened to me after 20 years in the business, that following the rules, try to fight for my place in the market, try to be the good boy, I realized is that the system was rigged. It wasn't working for business owner. I had to do something about it. And today it comes down to you. When you are ready, when you're really ready to commit and fight the system, I don't say declare war, but finally do a business as you like to do it. It starts from here. At that point, you almost finish. You're almost halfway. If you lost control, you didn't lose control in one day. When the first day came to open your business, when you first start, you were in control of everything. Slowly, little by little, layer by layer, you give away your power to your employees, to your customer. You say too many yes, you compromise too many times, and the social media review platform came along, and now you're walking on eggshell because you're afraid of that bad review. Everything is being given away slowly. You can get control back in 24 hours, but I have the blueprint ready for you to take it in a few weeks. And everything starts with a very small step, because not everybody's made the same. Not everybody's like, oh, screw it, I'm going to do it. I'm going to start right now and tomorrow we're going to do it. No, some people, they're not confrontational. They have a very complicated dynamic with the customer or with their employee. Sometimes the owner is really not the owner, and in charge they are the employee, because they're there and they know that the owner cannot do it without them. That's a bad dynamic, you know what I mean? Because the owner always feels trapped. This is many reasons why you lost control. And it's not completely always your fault. It's the system out there that is being created to put the owner in a position where he's always in a survival mode. The first step, the very, very, very most important thing to do is just like do it a little bit at the time. You need to crack the wall. You need to make that first scratch. Tonight, take it to bed, go to sleep on it, and think about one policy that you can think of in any department. It can be something to be changed in your social presence, or something with a new policy, new rule with your customer or with your employee. And tomorrow, print it and enforce it. Tomorrow is time for the very big change, the number one change. Pick something that it bothers you so much. An example, I don't know, I'm just going to throw it out there. Like your employee, they use their phone during business hour, all right? They just constantly on the phone, and you want to stop that. Tomorrow is the time. Tomorrow you do it. Or you constantly have to do substitution for every single customer that come in your restaurant, or whatever it is that you're selling, and you have to accommodate it all the time. You want to stop that. Do it. Do it. You need to start to think about saying no. No is a great thing. No is been invented so you can actually don't say yes. Makes sense? So finally, break through the old too many yes, too many accommodation that you did, and tomorrow actually start with the very first new policy and stick with that. And yes, it might happen that you lose a customer. Yes, it might happen that somebody's gonna quit. But what you're getting back is your sanity, is your power, is your leadership. And tomorrow is the very first step. If you want to keep doing it, you want to get back in track in a few weeks, I can show you exactly the blueprint of how to do that step by step. And in a few weeks, you can get your sanity back, your life back, your control, your power over business A to Z on your own term. Click the link below. You can book a call with me, Outsmart course, and it can change your life. This is very powerful stuff, and I hope you enjoy the video.